GM friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over the 4 latest best airdrops that are going on right now. Per usual guys, nothing is financial advice in my video, and all the links will be in the description. So first up we have Zerion. To save time, I've just give a bit of information here. So Zerion is an OG Ethereum wallet. Recently they announced a new network which is on top of ZK Sync. It's called Zero. It's a ZK rollup on top of ZK Sync. They've raised 22 million from tier 1 investors from DCG, Coinbase and Placeholder, etc. And this is the official announcement of their new network. So the interesting thing about this network is, first of all, it's on testnet, but second of all, they won't charge any fees. At least that's what they're claiming. So here it says here, Zero is a layer 2 roll up on ZK stack with no network fees for Zerion users. So you have to actually use your wallet. So let's get started into the actionables. So first up, what you have to do is go and get some Keplr ETH. If you've been watching my channel, you would already have a Keplr ETH because it's partly of my daily actions. But if you don't, you can just go on this link and just get a Keplr ETH. It's Testnet Ethereum, okay? You just have to give your Ethereum address and they'll give it to you. They'll send it. Next up, what you want to do is you want to bridge some tokens. So Ethereum from Keplr. Once you have Ethereum on Keplr, what you want to do is bridge some to the Zero testnet. So yeah, you just type in how much you want to do. 0.1 is usually a good amount, you know, but it's up to you. 0.1 or 0.01 is also okay. Next up, what you want to do is download their own extension. Now, with the extensions, you always want to be careful, but in my opinion, Zerion passes that safety threshold that I don't mind personally adding my wallet and also, you know, mentioning it in the video. And so, yeah, this is what's going to allow you to use network properly and with those features that they mentioned in the tweet. Next up, what you want to do is right now is they got a commemorative NFT that they've done. This is actually linked in their tweet thread as well. So you want to mint this as well. Usually, I believe you have Base is the cheapest. So just do it on the Base chain. And if you want to learn more, this is the docs behind it. And so there isn't too much you can do. So this is the actual Zerion extension. And what you can do is just do transactions on the testnet, I guess, because there's not any dapps or anything. It literally just got announced. But there's rumors that, so this, you can see I'm using the testnet right now. So you just have to go into the settings and enable the testnet. Yeah, so settings, developer tools, and then enable testnet mode. I guess you can just do transactions. So you can just send some testnet from on their network, Ether, to like another address, etc. And so that's the only way. But I would say just do this for now, mint the NFT, and, you know, be ready for the next steps. And this is all free as well, so you got nothing to lose. The next one is Allora. So let's just go to the next one. Allora is a AI project, so it's a self-improving decentralized AI network. It's tier 1 investors. They've raised 33 million. I would say it's grade A in terms of the project, and Polychain, Delphi, Mechanism have invested in it, so tier 1 funds. And so let's get started. So what you need to do is download Keplr if you don't have it already. Next up, you want to add the Allora network to your Keplr wallet. So just click this green button and it will initiate to add it your Keplr wallet. Next up, what you want to do is add the actual Allora network to your chains. So what you do, go in your Keplr and just type in ALO, and then it will come up here. If you want to add it, it will be like grayed out. So then click on it and then tick it, and then that's it. And then you can get your address. So copy your address, paste it in here, and then request the tokens. Next up, you can do some staking and delegating. Because this network is so new, there's not too many dapps, etc. you can do. But to delegate, all you have to do is connect your wallet, choose which validator. You can just choose the first one and just do like 5,000. The actual yeah, it's in UALO, so it's not in Allo. It's like a smaller amounts, which is, you know how you have like Bitcoin and you have Satoshis. It's like that. So you just do like 5,000 or 10,000 and hit send on any delegator, and then you know stake. And then lastly, you can do some sending and receiving. So here you connect your wallet and you can just send, receive, and do some. But the swap function is not working right now. But yeah, for now, just do that, and then here you can do some sending as well. So you can get another wallet. What I'll do, I'll post my address. You can send some to me or something like that, or if you want, you can send it to your other wallets, etc. So yeah, that's it for now. Next up, we have Meteora. So Meteora is the Uniswap. It's an AMM of the Solana ecosystem. It's by the actual Jupiter team. So it's not just your average random, you know, AMM. AMM stands for Automatic Market Maker. And so this one is definitely one that I've neglected, but I shouldn't have, because I have been doing it indirectly, but I want to do it directly. Hence why I thought I'd do a video on it. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a 2-in-1. So Meteora, and there's another project called Vault Finance. We're going to do both in one. So what you want to do first is convert some of your Solana into VSOL. just swap like however much you want to do. So I done like, I believe I done 1 VSOL and then I done half a sol. I'll show you what I mean by that later. So convert some of your sol into VSOL. The rate is more better in Jupiter, so make sure you swap it in Jupiter. Then what you want to do, once you got the VSOL, you want to come to this pool, sol VSOL pool, and deposit. As you can see, look, I've got 1.5 sol VSOL. So I put 1 VSOL and half a sol into this pool, and make sure you have balance deposited checked, and that's it. And then from that, you should be getting Meteora points, so they call it Met points. You can't see it, but everyone's saying that you do get it, but yeah, I guess they need to fix that. Then you're gonna get a Vault points also, because they have a point system. And lastly, you'll get LP fees as well. You get, you know, trading fees. LP means liquidity provider. So that's Meteora and the Vault, 2 projects farmed in one. And next up we have, so this is the 4th project. So this is Ora Protocol. They just announced a 20 million, I guess it was a Series A. They raised from Polychain and Hashkey, so good investors. And they call themselves Ethereum Trustless AI. So this one is free, but there's a freemium. What I mean by freemium is you can do some paid tasks, but you can do some free tasks as well. So just go on the link and use my code. Once you hit the referral, it'll ask you for a code. Put my code in, and then what you want to do is connect your Twitter. Okay, once you've done that, those 2 tasks, then you want to use the on-chain Oracle. So open that. Make sure, guys, you change the network. I made a mistake. I went on it and it cost me like $125 or $27, etc. So it's quite pricey, but I didn't realize what I was doing and I kind of rushed it. So make sure you change to Optimism or Arbitrum. I don't know why it's not loading now. Optimism or Arbitrum. And I realized then it's like $1, $1.50 for every prompt that you do. So go to the AI Oracle and then choose one of these. So Optimism or Arbitrum. You could do Llama 3. As you can see, there's a fee. So just you hit use model. And then you can type in something like, name me the top 10 restaurants, or, you know, anything, something like how you use ChatGPT. But if you can't think of anything, just hit surprise me. Once you've done surprise me, it will give you like a prompt, okay? And then write a story. It will give you any prompt. Then you hit generate. Now, when you hit generate, this is when it's going to ask you to pay the Ethereum transaction fee. And then once you've done that, what you want to do is hit finalize. And that's it. You would have successfully used this protocol. Like I said, make sure you swap to Optimism and do this, otherwise the fees are going to be too much. So it should be about $1, $2, and then I'm guessing every time you use this paid feature is what's going to give you the most points. And so yeah, then you can see your points here as well. And yeah, guys, make sure you use my link. My code is here and I'll post it in the description. But yeah, guys, those are the 4 airdrops. Hope you enjoy this video, pick up some value, and I'll see you in the next one.